What are we up to here?
Tonight we are cooking for our community. We are making Jjimdak, which is a Korean dish, and we have 65 people to cook for.
65 people. Okay, let's do it.
Let's go. So we have laid out all the ingredients that we need for the sauce and also the Jjimdak. So we have different vegetables, the chicken, and the things that we need for the sauce.
This is 감자. This is 파, 마늘, garlic, ginger, 생강, 간장 sauce, soy sauce, mushroom is 버섯, 설탕, which is sugar, chicken, what is chicken?
Duck.
Sweet potato,
Gogoma?
yes. Do you know carrot?
Nah, Duncan.
당근, that's right. And we've got Chinese cooking wine. And bok choy is 청경채 in Korean. And sweet potato noodle. Okay, let's do it. Do you want to hit the camera? So I am poaching the chicken because you will get rid of unnecessary smell that comes from chicken and blood. And this is very short and brief poaching, so it will take only 2 or 3 minutes. This is peeling the potato.
Nah.
So poach them for a short time. And there are still more poaching. Jess is washing the potatoes.
Okay, so we are cutting the spring onion in 2 ways. This way in long pieces for the Jjimdak, and this one in small circles for the sauce. It's not quite right, but it's like not mincing properly. So this, just a little bit of water might help.
Yep.
So we need 2.5 liters of soy sauce.
We are using this brand, gluten-free.
Bit of product placement. Next, 1.6 liters of cooking wine. Chinese cooking wine. Okay. 3.2 liters of water. 1 kilo of green onions. 1.4 kilos of brown sugar. 90 grams of minced ginger. 540 grams of minced garlic. Which is still frozen. Last but not least, we forgot this one earlier, sesame oil.
350.
350, okay. Okay, we're ready to mix. Looks like pieces of fish. Hello!
I dare you to bite.
No, thank you. The sauce is ready. We're about ready to cook everything. But first, we're going to put some rice on.
But before we start cooking,
Time for tea. In goes the chicken and the sauce. Maybe it's up too high. Chicken tray 2. And last tray. Very good.
and we are pre-soaking the potato noodle in the water because they are very hard. So we want to make it soft before you add them to the chicken. It's cooking really well.
So our chicken is now boiling, which means it's time to add the hard vegetables. So our potato, sweet potato and carrot. Okay, Here's our gogama, sweet potato.
Gonna go.
Dungan or carrot. And lastly, we have our gumjak.
So we put last ingredients, mushroom and bok choy and potato noodle. And we lastly put green onion. Looking really nice.
Okay, we are ready to feed 65 hungry people.